What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Arjun, and today I decided to give you guys some 350Z content. As you can see with the hood open, we're gonna do some work today. But I know I've been gone for a while, so you know what? I'm back. I finished fire school, paramedic, so now I'm gonna plan on doing some more fitness and some more car content for you guys. Alright, on that note, what I plan on doing with the Z today is we've been running through some pretty much idling issues. So whenever we turn the car on, we let it set for a little bit, and then it just dies just out of nowhere. So we got a OBD 2 meter, which is the blue driver. We're gonna put it in, let it idle. We're gonna do some freeze framing, and we're gonna see what's going on, see if it throws any codes. We've also been running with a battery issue as well. For some reason, I think we got a parasitic leak. I think it has something to do with the idling issue that we're having. On that note though, we're gonna go to probably the best part of the video, which is the exhaust clip. Alright, so as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead, I got the blue driver connected. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I got any codes coming up. You can already hear it kind of start to idle weird. Oh, good, no codes. Alright, so I'm just gonna pretty much just let it idle for right now, because usually after like 10-15 minutes the car will just go ahead and cut out, and then it's kind of hard for it to start from right there at that point. So I'll update you guys when I get to that point. Alright, it's been idling for about, I'll say about 15 minutes or so. So nothing came up, no codes, nothing have been thrown. You can hear the idle. Sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna cruise around town. I'm gonna have it record all the information right here on the Blue Driver app, which is pretty dope, and just see if it just stalls out. Give you guys an update if anything happens. So as you guys can see, that's kind of weird what the RPMs are doing. You see how it's like bouncing like that? I don't know. I'm about to do some research when I get back home. Alright, so now that we're back, I wish I was recording it, but I let it idle for a little bit and it pretty much died again. So when I ran the OBD 2 meter again, I got the error code P0335. And pretty much what that is, that's the crankshaft position sensor. Again. So I thought we fixed the problem, but I pretty much called up my uncle, he's a mechanic. Pretty much said that the sensor that we replaced could be bad. I'm really hoping that's what it is, so I'm gonna take the old sensor back and get a new one. Alright, so I just got from AutoZone. I got that camshaft sensor. Cool little tools just in case I drop the nut. It has a nice little magnet and a little camera for it. I'm using a 10mm with an extension because it's gonna be kind of hard to get to. For the code, it was a P0335, and that pretty much means that it was a bank A, which is pretty much bank 1, which is gonna be on the passenger side. That took forever to find, so I'm trying to save you guys some time. So for the sensor, let's see, it's pretty much gonna be located right where that green tab is. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. Alright, there. See the 10mm bolt right there? That's what I'm gonna be undoing. So get the fuck up.
See, it's honestly that easy.
You can see right here, that it's pretty much a slide clip. So a lot of people, whenever they're trying to do it, like me last time, that's why this looks kind of like new. I pretty much broke this clip trying to take it off. So what it is, it's you push it in, then it should click in place, and then this should slide right on off. That easy. Let's grab the new one. Sensor. Oh, AutoZone.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
Eventually.
Alright, now that I'm back from AutoZone, I definitely got the right part this time. I made sure of it. I really hope it plugs. Oh, thank God. Plugged in. Okay, she's lubed. Now I gotta find the hole. And she's in. Find another screw. This nut back on is the hard part. I think I got the first try. Hold on. Oh yeah. First try. You know, it's kind of weird talking to the camera when nobody's here. Gotta pretend like someone's actually here in order to actually talk to the camera. I guess I get used to it as I keep going, eh? Oh yeah. It's all in the technique, right? Technique! Technique, Squidward! Who doesn't like SpongeBob? Come on. Yeah? Who doesn't like it? Communists, that's who. Communists don't like SpongeBob. Alright, let's start her up. Let's see if she actually fucking turns on. Everybody likes a good little booty shot, don't they? He's already in there. Okay. Easy. Started so easy. Okay. Just ran it again. Okay, cool. Yeah, I ran it. No codes, so that's a good sign. So I'm gonna go take it around the block again, see how she runs.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, that'll be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. We changed that camshaft sensor and car's running pretty good now. Still having that weird issue with the tachometer. The RPMs are still bouncing back and forth a little bit, but I'm gonna give it to a friend. I'm gonna see pretty much what he has to say about it. Hopefully he'll open up and actually figure out what the issue of the car is, you know? But other than that, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like more of the car videos or you like more of the fitness. Down below, I'm gonna leave pretty much like all my resources, what I use to actually like, do the camshaft sensor. I use Scotty Kilmer. You know, everybody knows who that OG is. He pretty much is like the godfather of YouTube mechanics. He pretty much, you can type in anything and you'll find anything on how to fix the car. He makes stuff like easy and simple to understand. I'll leave the link down below what I use to actually change it. See you guys next time. I'm gonna leave the thing unplugged. Oh god, can't.